Hello friends, welcome to Site Technical Analysis YouTube channel. Again we are back with a new video. From this video we are taking an initiative to start a series of videos on the topic called options, wherein we will be studying options in detail from the scratch, and we will be covering all the topics which are required to understand the options. And this is the first video of this series, and in this video we will discuss only what is an option, and we will try to understand the what is the basic rule in option and how does it option works. Let's get started with the video. First let's understand the what is an option, what are the parameters available in options to trade in both direction, whether you are a bullish or whether it might be a bearish. You can trade in both directions by using options. First, let's understand the technical definitions of options. Options are the financial instruments that are derived based on the value of underlying securities, means stocks, or and you can trade in an index as well, Nifty, Bank Nifty. And options offers or gives an opportunity to buyer to trade in a particular stock or a segment in a direction of opportunity to buy or sell in the depending upon which contract he is going to buy. There are two types of contracts which you can buy selecting a certain particular strike price, and we can trade. Unlike a futures, in futures we need to buy a particular lot. In options also we need to buy a particular lot size, but here in options we need to pay a small premium, and in futures we need to pay the premium where the which stock price is trading at particular price, current market price of the stock, and we need to buy the lot where which requires a very huge capital to in trading futures, but wherein you can pay a small premium. And let's get started with the options trading. In options trading there are two main concepts: call and put options. Means if you are thinking that this stock or this index is going to move in either direction, we have if you have bullish or bearish trend view, you can go and trade with using these two options available in the market for trading: call option and a put option. Call option is bought when a trader expects the price of a stock or an index to rise at a certain time frame, then he'll buy a call option. If again if the trader expects that the stock or index will fall within this time, so that he'll buy the put option with a particular strike price of that particular expiry when he is expecting this securities, means stock or index, to fall at a certain level. When he will select the particular strike and we will trade. Okay, let's understand what is the difference between call and put. First, call gives opportunity to right to buy, put gives opportunity to sell. Okay, in call option, whenever the value of a stock increases, the call option price also increases, wherein whenever the price of the stock or index increases, the put premium or put value decreases. No objection for the owner, no objection for owner, both in case same case. In gains in call options are unlimited, potential gains are limited, and losses are limited to the options premium paid. Means how much you will pay the premium, that is your maximum loss. Inputs also same, how much the premium you will pay, that is your maximum loss in the trade. Limited time frame means there are certain expiry time within which we need to close your contract. Means we need to close your trade, or we need to square off your positions. इफ आई वांट टू टेल, अगर हम हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो अगर आपको कोई स्टॉक या कोई निफ्टी या बैंक निफ्टी को आपको लग रहा है कि वो आगे जाके इस इतना समय में वो गिर सकता है, उस समय आप पुट ऑप्शन के जरिए ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। एक स्ट्राइक प्राइस ऐड करके उसके ऊपर आप प्रीमियम देके आप बाई करके उस पर ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको कोई इंडिकेशन है कि आगे जाके मार्केट या कोई स्टॉक बढ़ रहा है, उस समय आपको कॉल ऑप्शन खरीद के ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। आफ्टर there will be two types of trader in options: option buyer and option seller. Option buyer is who first buys a call or put option, then he sells within the expiry. And option writer is a who sells the call or put options before he buys. If first sells at a top level and he buys at a lower level, means yield profit is limited but loss is higher and unlimited in the option selling or option writing. Let's understand the difference between option buyer and option seller first. Option buyer has a limited risk. Option seller has a unlimited risk, because in option buying, how much premium you have paid, that is the maximum loss. In option writing, the option price might be go to at any extent, at any level. So the risk is higher in option writing when compared to option buying. Reward: option buyer has an unlimited profit, because the option may go to any level, wherein option writer which sells at a particular level, say 100, and if the is maximum profit is 100 rupees only. If this expire the if in expiry day the option might expire worthless, means zero. His maximum profit is first only determined. Risk reward ratio: option buyer has a high risk reward ratio, option writer has a low risk reward ratio. Probability: this is a very important point. Probability of option buyer making money is only 33%, because in market 70 to 75% of the option contracts expire worthless, zero during the expiry. Probability of option writer for making money will be 67%, because he will be having more probability, because he will be selling the strike price where he is expecting to expire worthless, means zero. Rights and objections: option buyer has a right but not an objection, because to exercise over option. He might only buy and sit at a certain time and wait to till his targets are met. Option writer has an objection but doesn't have a right to exercise the option. Margin: in option buying, your margin only how much you pay for your buying and that option contract. In option selling, you need to pay extra margin, or like you need to keep some margin for selling options. Time decay: time decay doesn't work against the option buyer. Time decay works in favor of the option buyer, because whenever the times get closer to the expiry, the premium gets decaying very quickly. Break even point is where the options break even is the point where the option buyer starts to make money. Exact in the same point in the option writer starts to lose money. When the option buyer starts to make a money, that time the option seller, option writer loses the money. Okay, this was a quick brief introduction to options. In next video we will understand the what is an open interest. Thanks a lot. Disclaimer: I am not SEBI registered analyst or advisor. This video is purely for a educational purpose. Please do your own research before taking any trades in a stock market. Thanks for watching video. Please, if you like the video, hit a like and comment and share. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, Scientific Analysis, and press the bell icon. And let's see in the next video. Next video will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video.